Benta po ba kayo ng perfume? Guys, nakakaloka. Ang daming nagpi-PM sa akin ng mga ibebenta. Puntahan nyo ako sa February 28. Okay? Puntahan nyo ako doon. Tama, malaman nyo kung ano yung paninda ko. So, nakakatawa yung mga pinost ko. Tapos magulat kayo ang mga binenta ko doon. Pansit Canton, ganyan. Sikip, masikip nga daw. O, panoorin na natin Becoming Marina, 22 minutes, 20 seconds. Oh my gosh! Wait lang. Parang kailangan, kukuha ba ako ng tissue? Press 1 kung kukuha ako ng tissue. May iyak kaya ako dito? Halangang kaluluwa ko. Hindi ako basta naiiyak talaga. Aray ko, sakit ng... Hi mga anak. Hi. Ayan. Uy, excited na ako sa Uy, 1. So, nakakaiyak yung vlog. O, wag nang panoorin. Mag-anime na lang ako ulit. Charing. Ne. Siyempre, andun ako, no? Okay, yan. Uy, sino pala yung nagbigay nitong, pulveron nung, more than 6 times ko na iniyakan, ma. Okay. 1. Ligaw na kuting. Ligaw na kuting. Dito na, ready na, Siyempre, umakot lang ako, feeling ko iiyak ako. Ako pa, Diyos ko. Pati nga global warming, iniiyakan ko eh. Okay. Nakarin na natin. Becoming Marina. So, ayun siya.
Hi, my name is Marina Summers. You can call me Marina.
Ay! Ano nangyari?
And my pronouns are she, her, hers, icon, diva, doll. Early last year,
Ganda!
I started my transition journey. Finally,
Pasabog.
we will be doing my breast augmentation.
That's Dr. Berry. I met Dr. Berry. Mabait yan si Dr. Berry.
The past few years, I have
mo yun?
somehow pushed aside my transition.
Aha.
Now, I feel
Alam mo yung feeling nung yung halimbawa nakita kang extra sa sa balita, tapos abangan mo yung balita, tapos tayo parang ayun ako. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay.
that it's the right
Hinatid ko siya dyan. Ang ganda! Meron pang staircase. Lovely. Ganda. Oh my God, yung chan ko. Yes, ako yung nagtatanong sa back, sa likod. Oo. In-evangelism ko yan siya. Ganda. Wala pa yan intro pa lang yan. Ganda. Davao! So, nauna sa akin si Marina at si Chris ng isang araw. Dumating ako the day before the operation.
Today, here in Davao, after almost a year, and normally we would go to Davao for my.
In fairness, ang ganda ng Davao.
We're here for a different reason. I'm with Chris. Chris, say hi. I will be with Chris this entire time. The fact that I'm here already means everything is gonna happen and there's no turning back. Tomorrow, we will be doing my
Ang ganda ng color ng nails niya.
augmentation procedure. It is a gender-affirming surgery, mostly done to trans people, and finally the stars have aligned, and I am very privileged to be able to do it at my own pace, my own time.
So, yung interview part, ako yung nagne-navigate ng question. Wala kaming script. Talagang I asked her.
Check up today. Mag-check ng sizes ng implants. Tapos bukas, meeting. Maliit lang.
Ako yung tatay.
We're here. Ito ata.
Ang ganda ng clinic na yan.
Okay, ma.
Parang
Hello.
talaga nag-specialize sila in surgery.
So imagine, parang ganyan lang siya. Okay. Kasi yung diameter will really depend on the measurement of your yung area sa chest mo. Lalagyan natin yung breast. Hindi tayo pwedeng maglagay kasi ng sobrang laki. Kasi baka lumagpas hanggang dito na yung...
Ganun-ganun nila yung ano eh, no?
Yung sakop niya. kung
Yung kutsinta.
Oo. The maximum we can go for is 200 or 225.
Ba? Panoorin mo. Panoorin nyo, guys. Kasi comment nyo, Eva Masikip. Finland eh, no? Wag nyo yung Finland. Magagalit niya si Marina.
Parang you're kind of wider than longer. So,
Tapos lumindol niyan eh.
render niya. Hindi naman ganun ka ano. But see, parang mas bumababa na yung...
Ang ganda kasi meron, ayun no, meron silang simulation. Kita mo yung kinem.
Here, inflammatory fold. But
Matatago na rin naman nun yung scar.
yeah, the scar will lie just right here. Now,
I am working with Dr. Berry.
Dr.
she
Berry
is also a
Berry
trans
niya.
woman plastic surgeon.
Super bait yan si Dr. Berry.
And that's also one
Yung pangalan niya, Berry
thing
Berry
that I would
niya.
like to shed light on.
Berry na.
Trans women surgeons here in the Philippines. I've researched so many doctors back in Manila. But the one that really spoke to me and close to my heart and felt right was Dr. Berry talaga. Kasi, again, she was genuinely happy for me. It's not
Punta ni
just
Dr.
because
Berry.
I'm another client. You know, she really wanted the best for me. Para kang may big sister. Ganon. That's what I told her. Para kang may big sister that's guiding me throughout this journey. Yung care niya for me extends
Si
beyond
Dr. Berry,
surgical table.
pinupuntahan pa niya kami sa hotel para i-check si
kung may question ka,
Marina.
message mo lang ako. Tawagan mo lang ako anytime.
Super rush.
This is actually the first conversation on camera that I have about where I am at my life.
Ano kaya mga sinama sa edit?
Last year, I
Ba't wala ba ako sa ano?
transition journey.
Ang tagal naman. Naabangan ko yung appearance ko.
Transitioning last
5 minutes na wala pa akong appearance. Ano to?
Later on in the year, I started with my HRT, hormone replacement.
Sarili ko lang pala yung hinahanap ko eh. Ano kaya ka
It
na
was
noon?
a really, really big step towards my trans journey. And I would say it's one of the best decisions I've ever done in my life.
Yep.
Tell us how did you realize that you wanted to translate? Where did it all
Narinig niyo ba yung boses ko? Oh my God! Boses ko yun! Narinig niyo yung boses ko? Boses ko yun.
Junction. If I'm gonna think about that specific time, okay, I want
Boses ko yun yung nagtanong. Gosh.
That's one of the hardest questions that I get. My transness was not based off of a decision. Mine was a very gradual build-up. I feel like the woman in me has always been with me.
Yun na yung ano. Hinahanap ko yung airtime ko dun sa
I
vlog.
just didn't have the right name for it, the right label for it, or the right education
Actually,
content. Hindi ko pa siya na-realize.
A lot of my questions then as her best friend, naasagot din dito sa interview na to.
You have to be open to possibilities. And when I started opening myself into those possibilities, mas naiintindihan ko yung sarili ko.
Lovely.
Sabi ko, mas may ibabakla pa pala ako. Hindi lang pala yun, mas may ibababae pa pala ako.
Diba?
Drag has helped me so much to discover more about my femininity, but also confusing parts of my trans journey.
True.
Kasi, yes, I've been questioning my gender, but also,
Sino ba nagtatanong, may plano ka ba?
so parang doon ko na-express yung femininity ko, yung pagkababae ko. nakala ko nung at the beginning, okay na. Okay na ako kasi nakapag-drag naman ako eh. Kasi before, yung pagkababae ko, parang costume lang siya. Na pwede kong iwanan
That's
pag
true.
pumasok na ako ng bahay or pag iniwanan ko na yung workplace ko. Pero dumating yung time na, bakit I still want to be feminine?
Totoo yun. Kasi ako hindi ganun.
And that confused me a lot. Once I blurred that line, mas doon ako naging open sa possibility of me extending that femininity to my life in general.
Right. Ito yung morning.
Good morning. Today is the day. And I woke up pretty early today. Cannot intake anything anymore. Like fasting. Fasting for real na siya.
Andiyan na ako, guys! Oh my God!
Let's roll.
Wala pa din ako. Hindi ako nakikita sa camera.
Hindi pa rin natisingin sa akin. I think the first person
Wala
that
pa
I
ako sa camera. Hindi pa ako nakikita.
after the surgery, and probably even before the surgery.
Wala pa akong airtime!
There's only been a few times na kailangan akong pumunta sa clinic or sa hospital.
Ay, hindi. Lumabas pala ako muna niyan kasi nga, ang daldal ko. So, hindi sila makapag-film ng ingay-ingay ko
Welcome
siya.
today. Sabi ko, ang ganda ng sunrise. Ang magkano ng duwendo, and ang ganda. And I've always been fascinated with sunrises and sunsets. I feel like they're very symbolic. I mean, I've been
Malapit na.
as a woman the past year, but today feels different. And I'm happy that I'm doing it at the beginning of the year.
Wala pa din akong airtime.
Nasa work ka?
Ay, wala pa din eh.
Sa work, meron na din ako. 7:30 ako. 7:30 yung pre-op ko eh.
Ganyan din namin sa 7.
Mismong surgery. Tapos parang 2 hours lang daw.
Ay, may ganun din ako, yung Dr. Groot, yung ginaganon ni, ni Bretman Rock. May ganun din ako. Ang parang bata. Ay, may ganyan din ako eh.
Save ah.
Hi, Tita!
Ala, ang pangit ng airtime ko. What the fuck?
Sa bayan niya birthday.
Oh, nurse si Eva before, diba? Mag-ayos na akong gamit, ma.
Tungina.
Tawag ako later. Bye-bye.
Pangit, yun yung airtime ko? The fuck? Bagong gising ako. Ang tigal. Namamaga pa yung mukha ako.
It's the day. Actually, kanina kinakabahan ako. Pero ngayon parang malakwarap naman.
Aww.
Ang surgery naman na ito ay napakababa ng risk.
Oo nga daw.
Ito ay napaka-safe na procedure.
Very nostalgic yung holding hands na ganyan namin ni Marina. Kasi ganun kami every day when we were filming season 1 of Drag Race Philippines. Parang hindi kami sasakay ng van kung wala yung isa. Tapos lagi kami magka-holding hands. Oh. Ganda ng ganda ng shots.
Bye.
Yikes! Ayun na, pinasok na siya sa operating room. Paglabas niya, wala na siyang left kidney. Nagpa-harvest pala siya ng lamang loob eh, no? Pambili ng iPhone. Char! Oy, medyo cute yung anesthesiologist meron pa siyang goodie na ganun pa siya. Shucks. Ay! Oh my God. Hindi ko alam, pero parang it's been a long time since I last saw the boy face of Marina. And Aww. It's like meeting someone in the past. Ayan, tapos na. Na-harvest na yung ano niya. Naalala ko niya kasi inaaliw-aliw ko siya. Tapos, huwag daw kami masyadong magulo kasi nadi-disorient daw si Marina kasi ang ingay ko.
We did it, divas.
We did it, divas.
I'm gonna call my mom. Sa work to eh. It's a girl.
Ha!
Ayan.
Sobrang supportive ng mom ni Marina, in fairness.
Nasa bahay ka na? Umago 1 p.m. na ako natapos.
Sobra.
9:20
Alam niyo ba,
start, 9.
kwento, lumindol nung araw na yan mismo.
Parang 4 or 5 seconds na.
As in, lumindol siya.
Tapos nagising ako nung nilipat na nila. ako
Habang
sa bed.
ino-operahan siya, lumindol sa Davao.
Andito,
Parang
hindi ko
kinukuyog pa
na-
sila ni Lord. Parang sigurado ba kayo?
Pero okay naman. Ayan.
Uwi ka na niyan?
Mm-mm.
New Year's Eve ako na. Medyo ngayon pala nag-wear off yung general anesthesia niya. She will be very disoriented and easily overwhelmed. And I'm happy that I flew all the way to Davao to be here with them, to see the transformation right before my eyes.
Oh,
I
shit.
wouldn't miss this for the world. You will see a version of you that you will see for the first time.
Hmm.
That will also hold a space for something bigger than
Mhm.
you have any one last words for me.
I feel like I've already let go of Adrian a long time ago. But if I get to talk to him right now, I would like to thank him for allowing me to be the woman that I am today.
Yung chan ko naman, puta. Hindi, yung chan ko na lang yung sabi. Anong ganda nga niyan actually. Nakita ko na yan in person, yung maganda. Super. Hindi siya super laki. Like talagang diamante yung atake niya. It's very her. One month later. Oo, halos isang buong buwan siya dyan sa, ay hindi naman, parang 3 weeks ata sila sa Davao or something.
Today marks the first month since my breast augmentation surgery.
Ooh.
And today we are doing a shoot for the announcement or for the reveal. And today we're going to be working with some of my favorites and like friends as well in this.
Tasha, sabog.
We have PJ Pascual as our photographer today.
Lovely.
As our makeup artist. Paul Nebres for the hair.
Si Mariuji.
Shiyumitsu, my longtime friend, will help us with the styling.
Gandes.
This shoot is, I would say, very important because this is the first glance that we're gonna give to everybody, to the world of, you know, the new era of Marina.
Ganda nung alok. Ganda nung dress. Grabe. Sheer na ano.
Privately and quietly.
Sarap lang ni BJ, kaloka.
And I really want to share this moment first with my friends and family, and to be able to be, you know, with the same people around me with this very pivotal shoot. Means a lot to me.
Gandes. She said, gorgeous.
Surgery happened a month ago. I would say I've grown to be more confident with my body. I've become more at peace with where I am at in my life right now.
Girl.
And it just definitely, personally, it just changed everything.
Babae! Putang ina! Ganyan! Ay! Fuck! Ay! Girl! Oh. Oh. Oh, kikina niya! Nga! Diyos ko, Lord! Ano ba to? Paano naman kami mga nasa laylayan?
And I'm happy that I did it. And I'm happy that
Handa?
I'm surrounded by amazing people during this journey before I step out into the world.
Handa?
Welcome everybody in this journey.
Ganyan.
The past few years
Wind effect lang tayo, te.
somehow pushed aside my transition and somehow set aside this
Ganda na itong look na to, ma-pull out nga to.
And
Ba?
now I feel that it's the right time to show everybody the journey that I am in.
Lovely. Hindi ko na nga maalala yung itsura ni Marina
Honestly,
nung hindi
I
siya long
can't wait
hair eh.
to fully live my life as a woman, not in the shadows anymore. Finally,
Yes.
I am stepping into the light.
Yes.
And now
Preach.
that I am here, I'm not gonna let anyone dim my light.
Yes! Ganon, may pa-sheer. Yes, baby. Tapos na! Tapos na. Tapos na. Oh. Tapos na ay? Ganda. Panood niyo na ba, guys? Ganda. Ala, Nani? Ganda. Mag-ano lang tayo. Chill lofi lang tayo naman. Ayan. Ganda. Actually, dapat ilalabas ko na yung kay Marina na ano namin, di ba? Vlog namin. Ginawa ko. Parang may ano tong cherry. Binalik ko ulit kasi pinagawan ko ng subtitles. Para may English, hindi subtitles translations. Ganda. Ayun. How'd you feel when you were there with Marina? It was parang ang hirap din niyang i-marry sa utak ko. Kasi parang finally she will complete ano ba sabihin? Actually sinabi ko naman sa kanya to. Since she grew her hair out, parang everything fell into place. Tapos, hindi ko na maalala yung itsura niya nung short hair pa siya. So, parang feeling ko, the long-haired Marina, or the woman that she is, was the Marina that has always been. Kasi, diba? Parang ganun, hindi ko na maalala yung itsura niya nung long hair pa siya. So, parang pag nakikita ko yung mga pictures namin together sa phone ko nung hindi pa siya long hair. Parang sino tong taong to? And now as she was actually the interview was much longer. The interview was like I think almost an hour. I-explain din dun everything. So medyo naluha ako nung nakita ko yung last photo niya nung as her boy self. And something tugged me. It's like meeting someone a long time ago and then seeing them again. Parang gano'n. Parang she's an old friend. Hi, Mirage! Sister! Hello, sister! Yeah, so it's that. It's like, yeah, I've met those two people. I both met them. Yeah. Ayun lang. It's like, and I think you guys will also remember that. I think it's very, we are all lucky for, because we were all treated into this, very beautifully narrated story. She didn't have to, but I think it was also that we all met Marina with that cute little brown boy, and we all met her then as that person. And parang it's kasi hindi natin siya nakilala, di ba? If you get what I'm trying to say. Yung batang yun yung una kong nakilala eh. Kayo din, yun din yung una nyong nakilala. And yes, and we have to let him go. And also, I hope people also try not to. It's gonna be a hard fight for her now, especially that she already came out as a trans woman, for her to assert herself. Every now and then, makaka-encounter siya ng people who will misgender her. So yeah. Ayun lamang. Actually, message ko nga siya. Nasaan ba siya? Mare, inom tayo. Sabi ko. Ano yung ko? So guys, abangan nyo ako sa February 28. Mag-message pa na sa akin si Brigiding. Mag-message, mag-ano daw ako. Mapaperform din ako sa birthday niya. Nakita ko po kita sa Gateway Mall. Ha? Eme, hindi ako dumadaan ng Gateway. Oh my gosh, low bat. Sa GGSS, yes. Guys, pakyawin niyo yung mga paninda ko ha. Para may panglipat ako. By the way, I was at Salcedo earlier. And ang saya pala ng weekend doon. Talagang may mga may mga stalls na kung ano, nagbebenta-benta ng mga kung ano-ano. Ang saya. Ang saya. When will you post another vlog? Sorry na! Wait lang. Dapat last week, kaso ang dami kasing mga nagre-reklamo sa comments na parang maglagay daw ako ng translation. So, nagpa-translate ako. Nakasabay pa kita pababa ng parking eh. When was that? Baka hindi ako yan. Salsera girly. Tagal kasi. Sorry na. Ito na. By the way, tapos na kami mag-film ni Minty ng Evangelism at ni Shawarma. In fairness, nakakaiyak yung kay Shawarma. Tsaka yung ano. So, Aray ko. Patansyakan mo ba mama pag pumunta sa GSS? Tapos di bumili. Hindi naman, nag-aaksaya lang kayo ng pamasahe. Bumili kayo sa akin ha. Ano ba mga magandang paninda? Meron pa ako dito yung mga yung mga chocolate na 1 week na lang may expire na. Upload mo na rin yung kay Marina ma. Sabay na nung kay Minty. Teka lang. Nakadrag ba kayo sa 28? Sa birthday ni Briggs, sa Rampa, syempre nakadrag ako. Alangan namang naki-birthday. Nag-perform ako ng hindi nakadrag. Nakikain na ng Shanghai. Drag ako doon. Nauubos na rewatch ko sa Yes, I will. Ano pa mga paninda ko? Magbenta ako ng mga halaman na half dead. So, lilipat na ako sa Salcedo. Deserve ko ba ng totoong halaman? Or ipupush natin ang fake halaman agenda? Tignan natin. Ano pa? Magbenta ako ng mga t-shirt. Ng mga shirts ko. Naku, lagot ako sa mga sponsors. Mga makeup. Mga Nivea. Kasi naman, I mean, I love naman my brands, no? Kaso, minsan OA sila magbigay ng yung cream silk, hindi na namin alam anong gagawin namin sa dami ng conditioner dito sa bahay. Kulang na lang ipanghugas ko ng pinggan yung cream silk. Sobrang dami na naming gamit dito sa cream silk. Hindi na nga namin siya magamit. Ayun, pinanghugas na lang namin siya ng pinggan. Pati halaman, kino-conditioner na namin para lumambot. Anong app? Wala akong coming out story. Kaya nga medyo privileged ako for a Becky, I think. Kasi wala talaga akong coming out story. Reaction video naman tayo sa dati. Dati. Kinilig ba kayo dun sa namin? Sa video namin. Huwag nyo na masyadong kalampagin si Precious kasi alam naman natin nagluluksa yung asawa kong yan for now. So let's give him the space to grieve and process. Gusto niyo yun? Diba? Galing namin, no? Diba? Spoiled na spoiled kayo mga evasious sa amin. Ganon. Tsaka, talagang pinag-isipan namin yun. Nangisay, diba? Kahit ako nangisay ako na napulog kasi ako, grabe, ang ganda. Ganda. Grabe kayo ni Dad. Kinalig ka ba? Oo naman. Travis! Tara na, saan tayo tonight? Hindi ka na. Hi, Ma. Dahil sa'yo, nalaman namin yung word ng asab. Ngasab. Ikaw ba, Mom? Yung ngasab that music video. Ngasab. Diba? Actually, ang reveal namin is, yung dati, yung nangyari na music video is a prequel to the next Evasious project. So, yeah. Kami na yung nag-decide ng gagawin namin talaga. So, it's just, yun yung sabihin ko ba? Basta yung dati is a prequel to something. Nakatahi na yan. Siyempre, tinahin namin lahat yan. Siyempre, ano rin kami, no? Like, we also enjoy writing and making you guys happy. So, abangan yung next. Siguro mga sometime around, ano kasi ngayon February, di ba? March. Siguro mga April na. Or May. Kapag okay na si Precious. So, yup. Well, ang evangelism, actually, ang dami pa kasing nakapila. So, ang dami pang nakapila sa evangelism mo. Oo nga pala, wedding nga pala namin. Miss Iba, may pa-ask lang, may DRPH Season 4 po ba? Mayroon, di ba nag-announce na nga sila ng audition? Napangin advice. Maraming hindi ako dito mention hub niya. Nag-delete ng message. Ba't kailangan mag-delete? Pero also, with the same logic, anong pake mo? Anong pake mo kung mag-delete siya ng message? Alam mo, mahirap niyan kasi pareho kayo may tamang hinala sa isa't isa. So, TH kayong dalawa. So, it goes both ways. I think, walang winner sa inyo. Unless you learn you know how to trust another person wholeheartedly nang walang reservations. Then, that's also my reason kung bakit wala ako sa relationship because ayoko ng ganong klaseng problema. Ang daming nakapila sa edit. Ayun. I-claim hanggang 2027 ang Evasious. Pero guys, if I'll be really honest, there will come a time na Precious and I will probably retire Evasious. Hindi ko to ano ha. So parang we're also letting you guys know that like a lot of things, all good things must come to an end. There will come a time na i-retire din namin tong Evasious na to. Okay. So, all I'm saying is, while it's there, hanggat may soul, support na tayo. Let's enjoy it while it lasts. Because it's not always gonna be here. I'm just putting it out there. Kasi, yeah, diba? I mean, ano siya? What if magka-jowa ako ng afam? Tapos yung afam, mayaman, siya na everything, siya na bubuhay sa akin, as in, tapos mag-move na kami sa Dubai. Habibi pala Habibi pala yung jowa, ano? Siyempre, pipiliin ko yung ano na yun, di ba? Parang, what if ma-in-love ako sa, sa isang prinsipe sa Dubai? May bagong kwento. Tapos seloso. Eh di wala nang ganun, di ba? Hindi natin alam. Or what if bigla ako magkaroon ng newfound love for surfing. Tapos lumipat ako sa Australia at tumira na ako sa mga coast na ganyan. Magiging surfer na lang pala ako. So, long hair na ako na blonde. Tapos, nagsusuot ako ng maluwag na shirts na walang brief. So, hindi na namin mapupull off yung baby girl na, na evasious ako. You know? Dubai chocolate. Oh my God, Rumi, I miss you! Rumi, I'm going to Songkran this year. Let's go. Long hair si P. Eh, what if ako nga yung mag-long hair? Diba? Or, say for example, na-addict naman ako bigla sa fashion. Tapos, na-realize ko na gusto kong i-pursue yung pag-aaral ng fashion sa Paris. Siyempre, di na matutuloy yung evasious kasi na ako, parang Eva in Paris na yung atake ko. Nasa Tanjong Pagar kami. Sinong kayo? Mag-birthday. So what I am saying is, at some point, itong evasious dream na meron tayong lahat, we will have to wake up to a reality that it's just a fantasy. And it will not always be there. Kaya, ikaw ba yan? Ikaw ba yung Kemel Damel? Ikaw ba yung gumawa nitong polvoron? I love it. Meron na lang 3 pieces left. Kung kainin ko siya parang kanin. I love it. Thank you. See you ulit next time. See you, Rumi. I love you. Yeah, that's one of my siblings, my soul siblings from Singapore. So, where was I? Bago ako inano nito ni Karen Tan. And live na po. So, hanggat mayroong evasious stuff, do it. Sabihin ng mga tao, grabe talaga mag-marketing si Eva. She's really a marketing genius. I manipulate the of supply and demand. Oy, eme lang yun, pero totoo din siya. So, see you guys at the next Evasious show. Yung next Evasious show, ano siya? GV siya. It's so cutesy. As in, pag na ko yung concept, sinabi ka na to kay Precious eh. So, pero hindi pa namin inaano in detail. Pero, ang cute ng yung next concept namin. Ano siya? Puppy love. Puta pala kami. Naging tuta. Ayun. So anyway, magkita-kita tayo sa February 28 sa aking, dun sa booth ko, sa GGSS. Guys, I'll be there only until 2 p.m. I think. So, I think I'll start from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. kasi I need to rush to Rampa to get ready for Briggs show at 7 p.m. So, make sure to catch me before 2 p.m. Tayo. O, yung may yung may pinakamalaking nabili, pwede akong tsikahin. Yung mga bibili, okay, hindi ako magbebenta ng mga ng mga nail cutter, mga ref magnet, ganyan, para ano. So, yung may I think, feeling ko, meron akong, what would I do? What would I do? I will have a special meet and greet. I will give, hindi ko pa din nagawa ever. An exclusive backstage access to my highest spender for the day. Ayan. Huwag kayong mariwala sa ending ng Evasius, Gay! So, yun na ba ang ko? Yes! Backstage access! Pero syempre, hindi ko kayo papasokin pag nagbibihis yung mga queens. So, with the exemption of queens that are getting ready, ganyan. Siguro dun lang sa parang area sa backstage, sa main stage. Ayan, pag ready na sila. So, you guys can have an exclusive backstage access. I've never done that before, actually. Pero now, I'll do it. Sa next Music Museum show, I can give you guys an exclusive backstage access before the show starts. Diba? Ang saya. So, guys, mark your calendars. By the way, chances are the next roast on April, in-announce ko kasi na April 11 siya. It will be pushed to April 18 kasi hindi na pala available yung venue. So, yun. Hulugan. Hulugan. G-Loan. Nag-message na si Marina. Ayan, nag-message na si Marina. Iyayin ko siya mag-inom tonight. Okay. Anyway, that's it. See you guys. Bye!